if you want to trade stocks or crypto on Webull, this is how to create an account the right way. First of all, go to the App Store, search for Webull, then download it from the App Store or Google Play, then open the app, then sign up. After that, if you want, you can sign up with phone, or if you want, you can sign up with email. After that, enter your email, then click on the I agree to receive promotional and marketing text messages. Then also click on the privacy policy or terms of services, then click next. After that, a verification code will be sent to you. Go to your Gmail, then look at the verification code that was sent to you. After that, enter the verification code, put in a strong password. After you create a password, then click passkey for easier login, then use Face ID to sign in, click continue. This is totally optional, you can do it if you want. If not, then choose your account type, then click next. After that, there you go. This is how you guys can log into the Webull app or create an account on the Webull app, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.